L. Letter Y. Ooh, strawberries. It's me. Ang ganda ng panahon, grabe. Ay, nako, subhanallah. Bakit lahat ng grandmas dito ano? Very kinky yung buhok. Ay. Why? Hindi mga grandma. They all have kinky hair and they're wearing sun hats. Come on, let's cross, guys. Look at. Come, guys. Careful. Kaya may Costco dito eh kasi mga shalite yung mga tao dito. Is Rania following? Ran? Ganda ng panahon. Huh? Where's Rania? With Mama Nor. I saw her. Nauna siya eh. I see her. I see her big butt.
Are we doing?
Yeah. Ooh, here. It's a big building here. Sinoma ito. That's it. Basta